How to transfer BONK from bitget to tonkeeper on PC. Now to be able to do that, make sure you are logged into your bitget account first. Now after that, head over to wallet icon and click on assets overview. Now after that, from the sidebar, click on spot. And now from here, click on withdrawal. Now after that, from here, search for the BONK token. Now to find it, click on it. Now select on chain and this all, it will be detected automatically. Now to be able to get the withdrawal address, we need to open the tonkeeper wallet from here. Now after that, as you can see, you can just click on receive. And now as you can see, if you copy, you will copy the Ton wallet, and we have here the network as Solana. So you won't be able to transfer BONK from bitget to tonkeeper because tonkeeper is only accept the Ton as a network. Now to be able to transfer BONK from bitget to tonkeeper, you need to convert your BONK to Ton coin. Now how to do that? Just go to trade and now click on convert. Now after that, you need to select here your BONK. Now select here the BONK, as you can see. Now so you select it. Now from here, select the Ton. Select Ton coin, as you can see. Now here, enter how much you have on the BONK. And as you can see, after you click on preview, you will see how much you get in Ton. Now after you convert your BONK to Ton token or Ton coin, now you need to transfer Ton to tonkeeper. Now to be able to do that, just go and head over to wallet icon and click on assets overview. Now after that, click on spot and go here and click on withdrawal. Now after that, from here, search for Ton. Now after that, select Ton. And now as you can see, select on chain, and as you can see, this select network is Ton. Now go to tonkeeper, as you can see, and click on Ton. Now click on receive, as you can see. Now copy the address and get back to bitget and paste your address. As you can see, you don't need memo because you copy a special withdrawal address from tonkeeper. Now as you can see, click on next. Now after that, enter how much you convert from BONK to tonkeeper to Ton coin, sorry. Now after that, as you can see, this is how much fee you will pay and this is how much you will receive. Now after that, click on withdraw and you will be able to transfer BONK from bitget to tonkeeper wallet on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.